You already heard about Adobe FIREFLY, right? This powerful prompt-to-image AI software that's currently in beta and completely free to use. Similar to Midjourney, FIREFLY generates stunning visuals from text prompts, and it has even more features to offer. So let's get started and see what else FIREFLY can do. If you wanna try out Adobe FIREFLY, you can apply for free, and as soon as you get accepted, this is what you get to see in your browser. So this is the start screen with the three main features we want to talk about today: text to image, text effects, and recolor vectors. We will start with text to image. Down here are some examples. If you click on generate, you see some images other users created. If you like one of the images, you can hover over with your mouse to see the button Try Prompt. If you click on that, you get to the actual user interface for text to image. Here you see the prompts that made Adobe FIREFLY generate these 4 pictures. You now can literally type in whatever you want or start editing the prompts to your liking. For example, let's change the setting to jungle instead of desert and see what it does. Click on generate and FIREFLY will start its magic. You see, now we've got a jungle scene. On the right are more settings to choose from. Here's the aspect ratio of the image. Let's change this to widescreen for now. You can also change the content type. I'll set it to photo for our example. Next, you can define different styles. Just explore and test to see what you like. For example, you may create a more pixel art, 3D look, or cartoony kind of image. Just choose it and it will change the appearance of the generated images. Below you can set up color and tone. Let's try a warm tone maybe. Combine that with some dramatic lighting, and composition wise we will go for a wide angle shot maybe. Let's see how that looks. Press generate to update the images, and the AI will create new pictures for you. Nice! We can see the different lighting and warm tone. Also, it seems to be a wide angle shot, so all of our settings seem to work. If you like one of the pictures, just hover over it with your mouse and different options will appear. You may rate the result, like giving a thumbs up, and you can give some feedback. Say what you like, didn't like, add a note, etc. You also can download the pictures, which gives this disclaimer. Just click continue and it will save your picture on your hard drive automatically. Let's open it up. You see down here, FIREFLY adds this little watermark in the corner. If you like one of the compositions, but you would like to generate more versions of it, hover over it with your mouse and click on Show Similar. This will take the image as a start to create new versions of it. So you can also rate this and download them as well. And you can always change your prompts down here, like maybe making it a huge tower and show some spaceships in the back. Crazy stuff like that. Very nice. You see, there just appeared some spaceships in our images. Let's quickly download them. I don't like this one too much. My favorite one is this one down here. So maybe let's create some more versions of this one. Okay, awesome. I think you get the idea, right? Next up, I will show you how to create your own prompts. So you can delete all this stuff and maybe go for cool robot with tattoos and sunglasses on. Hit generate and let's see what it does. Okay, looking like a DJ here with some headphones on maybe? Yep. So maybe let the robot dance in a nightclub? Yeah, why not? Also, let's change the wide angle composition to a blurry background. And let's keep the rest for now. Press generate. And we get a dancing robot in a nightclub. To be honest, I don't like them too much. Here is something strange with his arm. This one has a weird face, so maybe we put the word realistic in here and just refresh it. Yes, this one is quite cool. Let's do more versions of this one. Give it a like meanwhile. Yep, one more time. Let's download this meanwhile. See here? I like the blurry background. That gives a really good focus to the robot itself. Oh, this is looking cool. Reminds me of an animal, a panda bear maybe? And some kind of cat in this one maybe. Maybe do some more in this cat style. And give it a thumbs up. Okay, that's enough for this prompt. Let's clear the styles and do something completely different. Maybe something a little more abstract, like oily liquid with glittering particles. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. This one is amazing. This one as well. I like that. Ui, this one's also cool. Download. Continue. And let's do more versions like this one. By the way, I speed up the loading process in the video. In real time it takes around 12 seconds each. Wow, this gives really nice results. I like these abstract pictures it creates. Imagine how long it would take you to make them. Give it a thumbs up again. Now we change the prompt to oily liquid surface with glittering particles. Generate. I don't like it too much. Maybe this one? How about a macro shot of broken window with colorful caustics? Wow, see this? This would take ages to do it by yourself. Let's quickly download. And now we change composition to narrow depth of field. And let's do some similar of those. There's already nice depth of field in it. Really cool. Download some more. And change the prompt again to get even more detail. Realistic, highly detailed. Let's give it a shot. Okay, now it gets crazy. I like it, but maybe it's too much already. Enough for now. Let's see some results full screen and then change to the next topic. So there's two more things we may check out, like text effects. Oh yeah, see this? Let's take one of those as a start. Maybe this right here? Same thing here. This is some user-generated content, and you can click on it to see the prompts it was made with. Up here is the type. It is loading right now. You see here, chain link is the prompt that generates this look over the type. Okay, this is cool. Let's see what else we can do here. First we can change the type down here and it starts to load the look on the new type. Down here are different versions you may choose from. So this is 4 different looks, just click through them to see what happens. There you go. Do you see the differences? What else? On the right side you can change the background color. Let's do red. Oh no. We keep it black. But you can also use a transparent background, for example. But for our example we will use black. Over here you can change the font, also by just clicking on the different options. Then it loads again. I'll go for this one. I like very bold letters. And here you can change the text fit. You can keep it tight, so the design stays pretty much to the outlines of the letters. Or you can go for medium or loose, which will allow the design to get over and around of the outlines as well. See? This is a really cool feature. You can still read it very well, but it's a little more natural, I would say. Let's try different versions as well and see how they work. Yes, very nice. Then you can also check some different sample effects up here. Let's view them all. For example, you can do wires. Again, it takes a moment to load. Down here's different food designs like pasta, sushi, donuts. This looks very nice. Download. Continue. Yes, sure. To speed things up a little, I tried some more and just show them full frame to you. These are all just the templates, but you can also go crazy with your own prompts. And the third option I want to show you today is Recolor Vectors. Generate color variations of your vector artwork from a detailed text description. Generate. Again, here is some examples. You can upload your own SVG to Recolor, or you can take one of these to test. Let's try this one. The prompt is sweet deserts. I don't know what that is. We will go for watercolors. Okay, that seems quite random to me. Here are also some sample prompts. Let's try salmon sushi. And maybe also this one. You can see what it does, right? It changes the colors of your SVG according to the prompts. That's quite handy and maybe a real quick solution if that is the specific task you're working on. Like I said, you can put in your own prompts like warm, sunny colors. Okay, to be honest, I don't understand how it works. You can also change the harmony of the colors, like complementary harmony. Yes, this seems more logically. We change it to triad. Or you can also set a color. Let's see how this works. Okay. I don't see the point of this one. I guess it would be best to upload your own SVG and play around with that. I don't know what it does exactly, so just try it out, play around, have fun with it. That's it for the 3 options I wanted to show you. But there is more to come. You know, Adobe Firefly is not only about these 3 features, they also announced features that sounds very interesting. Here you see lots of stuff they want to implement into Firefly in the near future. They are all in exploration, but I guess this will be really game-changing once released. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.